Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all. Last class we completed till the question number 1 in exercise 2.2. Now we are going to see the question number 2. Okay, now listen to me. The question number 2 is say true or false. Already I said to you to memorize the verbal clue words. Yes or no? Verbal statement to algebraic statement. You must learn the clue words, then only we can go for the problems. Listen to me now. The first option, 10 more 2, 3 times C is 3 plus 13. Okay. So here the words are given. The answer is given in the algebraic statement. Answer is given in the algebraic statement. What is an algebraic statement? Algebraic statement, use of letters with the numerical operation. Use of letters, numbers with the numerical operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are called numerical operations. Letters, you know that alphabetical letters. So this is called an algebraic statement. This is word statement. Okay, verbal statement. Now the verbal statement they change to algebraic statement. We are going to check this. Listen to the clue words. 10 more is given. More means which sign will you use? Plus 3 times. Times which what is the clue? Here times is the clue. Which sign you will use? Multiple C. So it can be written as 10 plus 3C. Okay, the multiple sign is not must in the algebraic statement. Okay, whenever the multiple sign is there, it's not must to mention the multiplication in a algebraic statement. So it can be written as 10 plus 3C. See your answer, it's given as 3 plus 13. So the given is false statement. The given is false statement. Likewise, next option, if the cost of 10 rice bags is T. Okay, what is the rice bags cost? T. T is unknown. Then the cost of 1 rice bag is T by 10 is given. Okay, listen. 10 is given as T. 10 rice bags given as T. Okay, if you want to find out the 1, what will you do? 1 rice bag you have to find out. So the 10 will go this side as division. T by 10. So the given statement is correct. True. Listen, whenever you are finding for 1, you have to divide. Okay, given is more. Okay, given is 10. We are going for the finding 1. So we are dividing. Next, the statements x divided by 3 and 3 divided by x are the same. Okay, it's given 2 statement. First let me explain the first statement. X divided by 3. This is first statement. X divided by 3. Next statement. 3 divided by x. Are they same? No. Because here numerator x, here numerator is 3. So it won't be same. It's not same. The given is or the same is given. So the given statement is false. The given statement is false. Next, fourth option. The product of Q and 20 is 20Q. Product of Q and 20 is 20Q. Product means which sign? Multiple. Okay, product of Q and 20. So Q into 20. So I told you before even the multiple is not must to mention. So you can write this as Q20. Always whenever you write an algebraic statement, number should be first, letter should be second. Okay. So I am writing the number first, 20. Next is letter. So the answer is 20Q. The given also 20Q. The statement is true. The statement is true. Next, option 5, 7 less 2, 7 times y is 7 minus 7y. So the first look at the verbal statement. Listen, whenever the word 7 less comes means go from the back. Go from the back whenever the less comes. So here first I have to go for the 7 times y. 7 times y. So 7 times means multiple. 7 times y. Less means minus. So minus 7. Okay, 7 into y minus 7. The 7 into y I can write as 7y minus 7. 7y minus 7. So the answer is 7y minus 7. But the given is 7 minus 7y. False statement. So here you should be very careful. Whenever less comes, go from the last. Okay, go from the last. Next, question number 3. Express the following verbal to algebraic statement. Verbal to algebraic statement. The first option, listen. T is added to 100. Which statement it is? Verbal statement. Words are given, so it is verbal statement. We are going to change to the algebraic statement. Algebraic statement means use of letters and the numerical operations. So now the letter is already given. T added. Added means which sign? Plus sign. T plus 100. T plus 100. Next, 4 times Q. 4 times Q's. Times means what is the clue? Which sign will come? Multiple. So 4 into Q. 4 into Q. Next, 8 reduced by Y. 8 reduced by Y. So reduced means what sign you will use? Tell me. Reduced, do we? Okay, here reduced means increase or decrease. Okay, degrees. Okay, so 8 reduced by Y. Here there is no word less. If there is a word of less, you will go from the back. You will go from the back. Here only reduced, so write as it is the 8 first minus by Y. 8 minus Y. Okay, clear everyone? Here when less comes only, we go from the back. Okay, other words comes means we will go for the as it is, we will mention the minus. Next option 4, 56 added to 2 times x. 56 added to 2 times x. 56 added mean, here added is the clue, plus 2 times means multiple x. So I told you multiple is not must to mention. So you can write as 56 plus 2x. 56 plus 2x. Next, 4 less 2, 9 times of y. Less means what is it? Minus sign we know. But what should we do? From the back to first. So this will be a first. 9 times of y. So 9 into y minus 4. How will you write this? 9 into y can be written as 9y minus 4. 9y minus 4. Are you all clear with this? Memorize the clue words, then only we can go for the problem I said. Next, question number 4. Express the following algebraic to verbal statement. It is algebraic statement because the signs are here. So, which sign it is? Division. How will you read this? X divided by 3. X divided by 3. Next, 5. Here n is there. Here there is no sign means what sign will come here? Multiple. So we can write as 5 times n. Since minus is there, what will you do? From the back always. Yes or no? So I will write the 12 first. 12 less 2. 5. Here multiple sign. 5 times n. 5 times n. 12 less 2, 5 times n. Whenever you see the minus, go from the back. Next, 11 plus 10x. You can write as it is 11 added to 11 plus means added to, or you can write as more or as increased. Okay, you can write by anything but use the proper word for the plus. 11 added to 10. here multiple. So 10 times x. 10 times x, 11 added to 10 times x. Next 70. Here there is no sign between 70 and x. Yes. So multiple. I can write this 70 times s. 70 times s, or else product even you can use. Product of 70 and s also correct. Question number 5. Now listen to me. The teacher asked 2 students to write the algebraic statement for the verbal statement. Okay, verbal statement. 8 more than a number. 8 more than a number. Vetri wrote 8 plus x. But Maran wrote 8x. Who gave the correct answer? Who gave the correct answer? Question is 8 more than a number. What is the question? 8 more than a number. The given is 8 more than a number. Write the statement, algebraic statement. 8 more means which sign? Plus. More means plus a number. Do we know the number? No. So we can consider, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Any letter, it may be any letter. Okay, you can keep as y, a, b, c, that is your wish. Okay, since we don't know the number, we used a letter. 8 more than a number we don't know. So number I consider as x. Okay, so 8 plus x is correct answer. Yes or no? So who gave the correct answer? Vetri wrote 8 plus x. Maran wrote 8x. Which is correct? Vetri's. So Vetri wrote correct answer. Vetri wrote correct answer. So, you are clear with this? Memorize the clue words. That is very important. We can go for the next problem. Question number 6. Answer the following question. First option, listen. N takes the value 3. N value is 3. Then find the value of n plus 10. Find n plus 10. Okay, now instead of n, apply the value 3. 3 plus 10. So the answer is 13. Answer is 13. Very easy. Just to apply the values what is given. Next option, likewise. G is equal to 300. What is the value of G minus 1? Find G minus 1 and G plus 1. So G minus 1. G value is 300. This one write as it is minus 1. 300 minus 1 is 299. Next G plus 1. G value is 300. 300 plus 1 is 301. Likewise option 3 also. Option 3 they have given find S. What is given? Find S. The equation is 2S minus 6 gives 30. 2s minus 6 gives 30. Gives is verbal statement. Yes or no? Change to algebraic. 2s minus 6 gives means equal sign 30. So now we are going to find the s value. Okay, along with the x, what is there first to find out. Okay, along with the s, first minus 6 is here. Minus will go that side as plus. So 2 is 30 plus 6. Minus will go that side as plus. Transposition method. Listen to me. Left hand side and right hand side we have. Minus will go as plus. Plus will go as minus. Multiple will go as divide. Divide will go as multiple. This is transposition method. Whenever you solve the problem, you have to apply this. So we are finding s value. Yes or no? Like for that only we are using this method. Minus 6 will go this side as plus. So 2 is 30 plus 6 is 36. Okay, 2 is equal to 36. Then here, do we have any sign between 2 and s? We don't have any sign. So what will you do? We'll consider as multiplication. 2 into s equal to 36. 2 into s equal to 36. So the multiple will go that side as divide. Okay. So the 2 will go this side as divide. Do you all know 2 table? Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 how many times 36? 18 times. So s value is 18. S value is 18. I will explain you once again. It's very, very important. Till the higher class, we will follow only the transposition method. Okay, listen to me. 2s minus 6 equal to 30. We need to find the s value. Along with the s, whatever it's there, okay, take to the right hand side. Okay, minus 6 will go that side as plus 6. First to simplify it, 30 plus 6 is 36. Next here, along with the s, 2 is there. We don't know which sign here. So there is no sign. It's considered as multiplication. So 2 into s equal to 36. The multiple will come this side as division. 36 divided by 2. 2 table we cancelled how many times? 18 times. So s value is 18. Okay, are you all clear? Next problem. Listen to me. Question number 7. Complete the table. Okay, we are going to complete the table. Then find k, which k by 3 gives 5. K by 3 gives 5. Listen to me now. K value 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. K by 3 is given as 1, 2. Other value we don't know. So what can we do? Apply the values. K value is 3, okay, K value is 3, then answer is K by 3 is 1. When K value is 6, K by 3 is 2. When k value is 9, apply it. Instead of k, write 9 by 3. Do you all know 3 table? Yes, we all know 3 table. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So the answer is 3. Answer is 3. Likewise, k value is 12. This is given fully. What is given? The first row is k value. Okay, clear? 12. 12 by 3. 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Likewise, instead of k, apply 15 by 3. 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. 5 times. Likewise, k value is 18. 18 by 3. 3 table 1, 6. So answer is 6. So we completed the table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, clear everyone? Apply the given value. Apply the given value and cancel it. Now we completed the table. Next the question is find k value which k by 3 gives means which sign? Equal 5. Okay, here along with the k, what number do we have? 3. 3 is in a division or addition or multiplication. You can see the divide symbol. Yes or no? It is in division. Division will go that side as multiplication. So k write as it is, equal symbol. 5 also write as it is. This 3 will come this side as multiplication. Okay, divide will come this side as multiplication. 5 3s are 15. So the k value is 15. Okay, that's all. Okay, we completed the table. We found the k value. Next, objective types question. Listen, question number 8, the value of y. Find the value of y. The statement is given as y plus 7 equal to 13. Y plus 7 equal to 13. Same transposition method. See that this is your which side? Left side. It's your right side. Don't confuse with that. Okay, right hand side and left hand side. Okay, always we find the letters. We are going to find here y. Along with y, what number is there? Find out. 7 is there. The 7 is with the plus sign. 7 is with the plus sign. Plus will go that side as minus. So y, first write the 13 first, after that 7. Okay, 13. This plus 7 will come this side as minus 7. Y equal to 13 minus 7. What is the answer? 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. The answer is option B. Answer is option B. Likewise, question number 9 also. 6 less to n gives 8. 6 less to n gives 8. Okay, 6 less to n gives 8. Write an equation. Less. Here the clue is less. Less means what sign we will use? Minus. Okay, whenever you use the minus, go from the back. So go from the back. Here n less minus 6. Why did I put this? Because gives means equal. This you cannot change it. Okay, gives will be as it is. This cannot change to from the back to front. Okay, here 6 less to n. This statement is over. So 6 less to n minus 6. Less means from the back I said. So n minus 6. Gives is given. Gives means equal 8. So the statement is n minus 6 equal to 8. Answer is option A. Answer is option A. Less means be careful from the back to front. Question number 10. Find C. Okay, find C. Equation is given as 3C 4 by 4 gives 18. Gives 18. 3C by 4, write as it is. Gives means what sign? Equal. 18. Okay, we need to find C value. Along with the C, what is there? First to find out. In the division, 4 is there. First remove the 4. 3C. 18 into 4. 18 into 4. Multiply. 18 into 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So 18 4s are 72. Then 3C write as it is. 3 and C between what number is there? What sign is there? No sign. So you will consider as multiplication. 3 into C equal to 72. 3 into C equal to 72. C value, C 72 divided by 3. 72 divided by 3. 3 table. 3 table if you cancel. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 1. 12. 12 how many times will come in the 3 table? 4 times. So C value is 24. C value is 24. Answer is option C. I will explain you once again because you are new to solve the problems. Listen to me. Find C. 3C by 4 gives 18. Gives 18. Gives means equal sign. I changed. Then we need to find the C value. Along with the C, what is there? First to find out. The 4 is there. The by 4 will come this side as multiplication. 18 into 4 is 72. Between 3 and C there is no sign. So we will consider as multiplication. 3 into C equal to 72. Then 3 will go this side as division. 72 divided by 3. 3 table go for the cancellation. C value is 24. Answer is option C. Okay. Here listen to me. Last we saw the second chapter. Second chapter is over. Now we are going to see the third chapter. Okay. Third chapter is ratio and proportion. First we will learn what is ratio. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities with same kind. Two quantities. How many quantities? Two quantities. It may be anything with same kind. Here the same kind, it's mentioned the same unit. For example, meter, meter, centimeter, centimeter, kilometer, kilometer. Okay, whenever you compare, the measurement of the unit must be same. If it is not same, we should make it as same. Clear everyone? Ratio is comparison of two quantities. How many quantities? Two quantities. Okay, we will learn in the higher classes 3 or more quantities also. Okay, two quantities with same kind. Next point, a ratio can be written in fractional form. Ratio can be written in fractional form. For example, the ratio form is A is to B. A is to B. It can be written as A by B. It can be written as A by B. It's fractional form. Okay. A ratio can be simplified. Ratio can be simplified. For example, 6 by 10. 6 by 10. This is your ratio. Ratio can be written in fractional form. Yes or no? I will write as 6 by 10. Okay. You can cancel. Okay, you can divide. It means you can divide. Simplified means whatever it's given as the highest number, we will change to the lowest number. That is called simplification. Yes or no? Whatever it's there as bigger one, we will make it as the smaller one. So here we are going to divide. So 2 table we can divide 3 times. Here 5. Is there any other table to divide 3 and 5 by same table? You should use only same table. You should not use here 10 table, here 6 table. If you take 2 table, divide by 2 table both numbers. Here I divided by 2 table 3 times. Here 2 table 5 times. 3 by 5 can be written as ratio form 3:5. Okay, clear everyone? This is called simplified. Simplified means dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Next, a ratio has no units. Okay, ratio has no specific units. Okay, clear? Ratio symbol is, this is your ratio symbol. It's read as is to. Okay, how will you read? Is to. For example, 2, how will you read this? 2 is to. The symbol read as is to 5. So the ratio symbol is, this is your ratio symbol. It's read as is to. 2 is to 5. Once again, I recall about ratio. Ratio is a comparison of two quantities with the same kind. A ratio can be written in fractional form. A is to B can be written as A by B. A ratio can be simplified. Simplified means dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. A ratio has no units. It doesn't have the specific units. A ratio symbol, this is your symbol, it's read as is to. Clear? Shall we go for the problem? Exercise 3.1, fully we are going to see about ratio. First question, fill in the blanks. Option 1, ratio of rupees 3 to rupees 5. Whenever you see the ratio, first find out it is same unit or not. Here also rupees, here also rupees. So it is same. So I can write as 3 is to 5. Clear? Likewise, next option, ratio of 3 meter to 200 centimeter. Is this same? Meter and centimeter is same? No. So here, which is the lowest unit? Centimeter is the lowest one. So change the meter to centimeter. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 100. Yes or no? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So the 3 meter equal to how many centimeter? 300 centimeter. 300 is to 200. Okay, it can be written in the fractional form. 300 divided by 200. Why did I write in the fractional form? You can have, okay, miss, why can't you write as 300 is to 200? It is correct answer. Absolutely. But ratio can be simplified. Yes or no? So you can simplify this ratio. So I am going for the fractional form. Okay, clear? 0, 0, 0, 0 I cancel. So 2 and 3, can you cancel by any table? No. So the answer is 3 is to 2. Numerator first, denominator second. Don't interchange that. Okay, it's very important. Numerator is first term, denominator is second term. Next, ratio of 5 kilometer, 400 meter to 6 kilometer. This is first term, it is second term. Okay, it's given kilometer also, meter also. Second term is given in the kilometer. So which is the lowest unit? Convert to lowest unit. Listen, meter is the lowest one. So change the kilometer to meter. 1 kilometer equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. So here how many kilometers are there? 5 kilometer. So 5 kilometer equal to 5000 meter plus 400 meters. So totally how many meter? 5400 meter in the first term. Second term, how many kilometer? 6 kilometer. So 1 kilometer 1000 means 6 into 1000, 6000 meter. Go for the simplification. Okay, how will you write this? Listen to me. 5400 divided by 6000. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0 I cancelled. Now 60 is there, 54 is there. Do you all know 6 table? Do you all know? Okay, here very easy. 6 table, how many times 60 will come? 10 times. Here 54, how many times? 9 times. The answer is 9 by 10. 9 by 10 can be written as 9 is to 10. 9 by 10 can be written as 9 is to 10. Next, ratio of 75 paise to, what is this? Rupees sign. Okay, rupees 2. So convert into the lower unit. Rupees is the highest one when you compare to the paise. Yes or no? So 1 rupee equal to how many paise? 100. 1 rupee equal to how many paise? 100 paise. So the second term 2 rupees I am going to change as paise. 2 rupees equal to how many paise? 200 paise. 2 rupees equal to 200 paise. So now write 75 is to 200. Second term is 200. Now go for the fractional form. Go for the fractional form. You all know the 5 table. 5 table or 25 table you can cancel. Okay. 25 table means 25 3s are 75. It's very easy. Miss, I don't know the 25 table means you can go for the 5 table. Easy. 5 ones are 5. Remainder 2, 25, 15. Here 5 4s are 20, 0. Again you can cancel. 3, here 8. 3 by 8. 3 by 8 can be written as 3 is to 8. Okay, when you cancel, do it properly. 5 table, you know very well, even though you will make a mistake. So whenever you do the cancellation, check once again. So I am going to check once again. 75 divided by 200. 5 table. 5 ones are 5. Remainder 2. So it become as 25. 25 5 times. Next 20 4 times. 0 I have written as it is. Next again I am cancelled by 5 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 8s are 40. 3 and 8 we cannot cancel by any table. Yes or no? Only it will come in the one table. So answer is 3 is to 8. Clear everyone? Next question number 2. Say true or false. Say true or false. The ratio of 130 centimeter to 1 meter. It is not same. Centimeter and meter is given. We know that whenever you see the different units, convert into lowest units. Here lowest unit is centimeter. So I am going to convert the meter to centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. The first one I am writing as 130 is to second term 1 meter equal to 100. I am writing as 100. Write in the division 130 divided by 100. 0 0 cancel. Then 13 and 10. Can you cancel 13 and 10? No. So the answer will be 13 is to 10. The given also 13 is to 10. So the answer is true. Answer is true. Next, one of the terms in a ratio cannot be 1. How many terms in the ratio? 2 terms we have. 2 terms, it may be any number. It may be 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. 1 also it may come. But here the given is one of the terms in a ratio cannot be 1 is given. So the given statement is false. It may be 1 also. You can write 1 is to 2 also or 2 is to 1 also. Yes or no? The 1 will be coming. Okay, you cannot tell 1 will not come in the ratio. Here it's given cannot be 1. So the given statement is false. The given statement is false. Okay, listen. Once again, memorize. Okay, what is ratio? First understand. Okay, ratio is very important concept. Okay, next we will see about the proportion in the next class. Okay, till the question number 2 is completed. Question number 3 we will see in the next class. Thank you, dear students.